Today is going to be a great and fulfilling day. I am healthy, happy, and secure. I am an unlimited being with the ability to create anything I want. I naturally attract love everywhere I go. I greet today with calmness and confidence. I have everything I need to solve any challenges that arise. I am beautiful, strong, and powerful. I am grateful for all that I have, all that I am, and all that is. I will make good choices all day using my inner wisdom. Today, wonderful things will unfold before me. I inspire those around me.